Alright, what's up guys, this is Anish Fitness. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fit and fine. Boom. So guys, today is day 2. If you haven't watched our day 1, then click here and watch our day 1, okay? So in Tuesday, we will train our full lower body. Now in video, I'll show you name of exercise, sets, repetitions. So I will not talk more, I'll show you. So let's begin.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling.
Hope you guys like our video. If you like, then please like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Be it guys, love you all, take care. This is Anish Fitness and Anish Fitness behind the camera, over and out. Boom.